Why should you have a personal brand? Let's say you are in the job market and you're looking for a particular job. Why should people hire you or give you opportunities out of everything else? The answer is when you have a personal brand, it creates like a professional differentiation for you, showing you as the expert in your field. So you will be more trustworthy in front of potential employers. You will be the first choice for any clients that come up. You will have a lot of collaborators among your mentors and peers in the field who want to collaborate and work with you. There'll be people who understand your expertise, and when they approach you and have a conversation, they already know whether they are your target audience or not. So you end up not wasting much time. And most importantly, you can get a lot of opportunities by building your personal brand. For example, I got the deal to write my book via LinkedIn. I was maintaining a personal brand where I was talking about freelancing and content writing. And there was this contest for a 7-day writing challenge. So, seeing my keyword that I am a writer, there was this publishing house called Kearney Publishing that came forward and said, hey, we are going to be giving you 7 prompts over 7 days, and the winner gets to publish their book for free with a free package. And that is how this whole deal came about. So you see how personal branding is not just professional in the sense getting clients, but also a lot of different opportunities like this. You'll get job offers, you'll get speaking engagements, you can get consulting projects, you can get partnerships with firms. The list is endless. You can recommend people to hire them, you can collaborate with different people, you can speak directly to brands and get sponsorships from them. Your reputation literally precedes you if you have a personal brand. Now, coming to who can use it, first and foremost, entrepreneurs and freelancers like myself, because we have to treat ourselves not as individuals but as businesses. So, as much as a business does its branding and marketing, I need to market myself and promote myself out there. So, personal branding really helps me directly show my persona online. Number two, you have people in service based industries. For example, you have consultants, you have therapists, you have people in real estate, you have leadership coaches, you have sales coaches, you have financial planning, you have all of these industries that are service based that are very reliant on relationship building. So this again is where personal branding comes in, where you can build trust with people and show your credibility a lot. Number three, it's very useful for career driven people in fields like technology, marketing, sales, creativity, all of these industries. It's very useful for you to find and source a lot of opportunities. So, even if you are working full time at a company, it really helps to maintain a personal brand, because if you're a sales executive or a person in HR who is trying to recruit a lot of new people can see that you're not a scam, your company is legit. You can directly reach out to people, source people using their names and qualifications. This way, even if you're working full time at a company, you can maintain an individual profile. And even a traditional employee who is just leaving out of the company, or a layman, as Toastmaster Vidya said, it's very useful to have a personal brand no matter what background you're from.